Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will talk about ClickBank and YouTube, why I have chosen ClickBank as our affiliate marketplace and also YouTube as our traffic source. So let's jump into affiliate marketplace. Now on the left hand side, you can see different categories: arts and entertainment as seen on TV, education, employment and jobs, and so on. Based on your interest, you can select any category. So let me jump into health and fitness. Now you can see there are different subcategories here. I'm going to open diets and weight loss. Here you can see different products. The first product is Lean Belly Breakthrough. The second one is the 2-week diet plan, and so on. The results are being sorted by popularity. I want you to sort the results by gravity. Now you can see here average dollar per sale is $27.32. The initial sale here is $26.24. The gravity of this product is $160.32. So what does the gravity means? In simple words, the higher the gravity, the more affiliate marketers are promoting this product and the better the product is selling. So looking at the first three products, the first product you can make $26.24 commission. On the second product you can make initial commission of $35.32. On the third product you can make a commission of $25.46. So that means you can make a very good commission when someone buys the product through your referral link. $27, $25, $35, that's a good commission. And if you are making like 10 sales a day, just multiply $27 by 10, that is $270. So $270 a day is a good handy money. So this is one of the reasons why I have chosen ClickBank, because ClickBank provides a very good commission for affiliates, and also there are lots and lots of products available for you to choose from. Now let's jump into YouTube as our traffic source, and I'll let you know why I have chosen YouTube as our free traffic source. So I have put a keyword here, how to lose weight fast. So now you can see there are different results, about 3,910,000 results available on this search results. First video, you can see there are literally 10 million views on this product. On the second video, 501,000 people have viewed this video. On the third video, you can see 1.5 million views so far. So now you can see why I have chosen YouTube as our free traffic source, because there are lots and lots of people, literally hundreds and thousands of people logged onto YouTube every day to watch different videos. That's why the views are very high, and it's now our duty to utilize those views to direct those traffic to our affiliate pages so that we can generate commissions. So in summary, you now know why I have chosen ClickBank as our affiliate marketplace and also YouTube as our free traffic source. And by making the combination of these two, we can start our own online business with literally $0 investment. As I said in the first video, all I need from you is your precious time. So this was the introduction about ClickBank affiliate marketplace and also YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.